Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Hub Fuel. In today's episode, we're going to be discussing smart CTAs. And with CTAs, what we can essentially do is create a smart version of the button, which essentially is going to customize the button based on different visitors to your website. And we can customize these based on a number of different criteria. Essentially, what we're going to do with smart CTAs is we're going to try and entice our contacts to click our button based on them being a bit more customized for that user. So when we jump into the HubSpot portal, underneath marketing, lead capture and CTAs. As you can see, I've already created a CTA, and this CTA is for the German version of the website. Under the CTA, under actions, and then create smart version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select visitors country, because I want anybody who is currently set in the United Kingdom to see a different version of the CTA. So I can select visitors country and then the country in question from a list. From here, I can now edit the button content. So I can put new CTA United Kingdom. I can choose the button style as well as the button color. So I'm going to change the color up as well so you can see the differences. Once I've styled my button, I can then go on and give it a new name. So my CTA United Kingdom. I can select where I want the button to redirect to, whether this is an external website URL, a HubSpot page. If I choose external website URL, for example, I can then drop in the URL in question, and then I can attribute this CTA to a campaign. Fine, I'll click save. As we can see, I now have a smart version of my CTA. So I can see the default CTA with the German version and the new CTA. I can also add another smart version based on the same criteria, i.e. another country. Once created, I can actually go into the CTA in question and start to analyze the performance of each CTA in turn. That was smart CTAs in HubSpot. Thank you for watching this episode of Hub Fuel. I'll see you guys next time.